Teacher, just calm down and think.
Huh?
And think about it. I don't need the periodic table.
Yeah, you can do a periodic table. Okay, tell me the number of protons, the number of neutrons, the number of electrons for magnesium ion. Ion.
39, 38.
Just write down here. The proton, how many? Then, okay, that's very cute. I'm writing there. Okay, electrons and neutrons. Trons. Okay.
Can I draw like because I want to visualize?
Okay, can. Seconds.
I still don't understand what does it mean by
number. Just tell me what's the number.
What does it mean by the ions? What?
Magnesium ions.
The number of magnesium.
10 more seconds. Okay, give it to me.
Okay, this is wrong.
Unfortunately, it's not correct. This is correct for magnesium atoms. So magnesium atom is correct. This is correct. But something is not right here because I was saying, you see magnesium atoms, right? When you say atoms is what? It's different from ions. Atoms is the number of protons equals to the number of electrons.
You should have
Okay, it's not equal. Okay, science master can come out and then help. So maybe you can just tell me what is wrong here?
Too fat.
Yes, correct.
Okay, 2 and this.
Okay, 2. Alright. Good try, teacher. Yeah, good try, very good. Why is it 10? Okay, teacher, what you draw here is very correct. It's just one step.
You just take away these two
Very
electrons and then
good.
become into a noble gas. But the thing is, I don't understand.
When it becomes a noble gas, it's called
Because just now you said about the what?
ions.
Then
Yeah.
I don't understand what does that
When
mean.
you lose or gain
I
electrons,
know what's ion, but the thing is, I just don't understand.
yeah. So you get rid of this, you form an ion saying. Yeah?
This is 2 pound.
It's okay.
Okay? Okay, next person.
You can hold that one. Please get it wrong. Please get it wrong. Please get it wrong. They said please get it wrong. Wrong equals to correct. Correct equals to wrong. Please get it correct. Then now correct means correct.
The number of protons, neutrons, and electrons for chloride ion. Chloride ions. Take it as I say chloride, take it as 35 because it will be very weird. Correct! Yeah.
I never listen to us. You say get it wrong. We're head to head. Numbers is same as
We're head to head.
Okay, Zachary?
No. Oh yeah, for now, both wrong and correct means correct.
Okay, so let's just say that there is this isotopes. Alright? We say this carbon, he has an isotope 14. Alright? So can you tell me, this is an isotope carbon atoms. What is the total number of protons, neutrons, and electrons? So it's an isotopes. The mass number very different from what you see inside. It's 14 instead, or whatever number here. So tell me, what is the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons? And 20 seconds left. Proton, neutrons, and electrons, everything.
Wait, I'm patient. One of the fruit school.
Neutrons.
10 seconds.
10 seconds left. Electrons.
For what?
For this carbon 14. Okay, thank you. It's incorrect. Okay, science masters, let it come out.
Okay, I wasn't really listening for what you said actually. So what do you want?
Carbon 14.
Good job.
The proton, neutrons, and electrons. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's discuss. It's very weird, right? Because if you look at in your periodic tables, carbon here, this is what, 6, right? And this one is 12, correct? But the question specifically say for 14, so not 12. So what is the difference is, the number of neutrons is the one that's different. But the proton and electrons will still be the same. Why? Because this number tells you the total number of protons and electrons. If this number is 6, then this will be 6, this will be 6. Alright? But how do you get 8? How does this science master get 8? You take 14 minus 6. Because this is a mass number, minus this number, you get the number of neutrons. Correct? You understand, Sakri? But you understand your mistake? Okay? Okay.
I don't understand.
You don't understand which part?
Never mind, I think I get it.
No, which part that you don't understand?
How the mass number is?
Because the mass number is proton
Always remember.
plus neutrons. Then this number, this is the number of protons. So when you take this minus this, what do you get? For example, here they say that there are 14 boys and girls in the class. Then there are 6 boys. So how many girls are there? Why is it 8? That's how we find out. It's the same thing. So if proton is the boy, neutron is the girl, you have to find the number of girls, you just take the difference, correct? Correct? So this is 8, right? And this is neutrons.
The neutrons as the boy, the proton as the girl.
Correct. Yeah, why not? Okay? Yeah. Okay?
Very boys. Boys always very
yeah. And then there's little girls. So they have
Okay, the next one. Any one of you?
No, Joshua.
Okay.
No, Joshua.
Okay.
No, I will fail.
Come on,
So this is a special isotope of hydrogen. It's called tritium. Alright? So it's actually tritium plus. So tell me the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons.
P-I-E, wrong.
Correct.
Yes! Oh, lucky. We win. We got 24. Yes.
Alright. So we have completed the first round.
How many rounds are there?
This third round already.
Not third round, right? But this is like we only covers 3 chapters only, correct? If you notice, this one only tested on 3 chapters. One is the kinetic particle theory, heat transfer.
They also bad.
Okay, I give you all. Do you need anyone need a break?
No.
Very good. Let's proceed. Check out the competitive spirits here. Okay.
Next.
Xavier. Okay. So we learn in bio. We learn about in bio. There are 3 processes of how substances are moved from one place to another. Correct? All the 3 processes. What are they? Can you tell me? Very good. Okay. This one no more. Yeah. This is bio. Come. So just now he mentioned about 3 processes, right? Which process requires energy?
Active transport.
Very good! Okay. Okay, teacher. Okay.
Oh, and a duster.
Out of the 3 processes, which one only talking about movements of water molecules?
What's the process again? I forgot. I forgot the
Xavier, you want to say again?
Osmosis, diffusion, active transport. Okay.
Out of the 3 processes, which one specifically only for water molecules? Osmosis, correct. Tell me the definition of osmosis.
Osmosis is the net movement of water molecules from a region of higher water potential to a region of lower water potential through a semi-permeable membrane.
Correct.
Very good. Very good. This guy is. Can you choose who's next?
Okay, nice, Zachary. Yeah. Okay, yeah. This part is not permeable. This is partially permeable. So for example, let's say that chili, you can cut the chili, right? Remember in my lessons I talked about chili. Then after that I say you put in the water. So what happens to this shape? If you pay attention to my lessons, then you have known what is the answer. What would be the final shape if you put this strip into the water?
What is a chili?
Imagine, no? That means this is the outer skin of the chili. This is the inner skin, which is a partially permeable membrane. You have to draw? That means draw.
You go. I have to go. Xavier, go. Can I actually go, please? No, I want to go.
No, you all can tell the sign master what's the answer, then he'll come up.
Well, can What can we actually?
The sign must haven't even come out, must give him chance.
No, can you actually let me do it?
You cannot.
Okay, time's up.
Wrong.
No, not correct. Okay. The sign masters.
You go.
No, it's not us. No, I want sign master to come out.
I'm sure that they are gonna give us
Oh, you have to draw. I want to
only
see.
for them that they are actually don't really understand.
You win.
So can you let me do it?
Sure.
You all can discuss just now.
We'll just discuss.
You want 谈天
But it's like the master also wrong.
Okay, then the question will be given to the opposing team.
Yeah, you try.
No, no one.
I know.
Oh, yeah. You tell the sign masters.
I have one.
I know how.
You draw?
I also so draw this thing.
Yeah.
Simulation.
Yeah, that means after you put inside water for a very long time, what happened to this shape?
Oh, wait.
Okay. Okay. Yes, correct.
My drawing not good.
Very good.
My drawing not very good.
Okay, so Zachary, let me explain why. Because this is partially permeable membrane, means that the water can still goes in. Not permeable means water cannot goes in at all. So as a result, water will keep on going in because you put it in the water, right? Alright, so this part will get longer. So as a result, it will start to bend. So remember I told you about chili? This is the chili. People will cut here into 4 and then they put inside the water. What happened to the chili? They will open up like a flowers. That's what osmosis, the application of osmosis in cooking. Okay?
Yeah.
So Joshua.
Yep.
Okay.
We still win.
It has presents. Yeah, that's why.
Oh, the presents.
You shouldn't have any presents, dude.
Oh, I think I know how to do this.
You know? Yeah. So this part, huh?
This sugar. Oh.
Sugar. Okay. So this part is just water. Alright? So what happened to this level? You just need to tell me, is it go down or is it goes up?
I think it should be go down.
It should?
Go down.
It should go down. Positive? Is that the answer? Because? Yes?
She said, I think.
Over here is sugar
Uh-huh.
and inside is water. So
The water will go down. Then the water level will go down. Yes, that's correct.
I think it's because the outside has more sugar and inside got a lot of
Water?
yeah. So the thing is,
Water will actually move out via osmosis, correct?
wow, yeah, the pro, the only one, the only one.
We are 32.
Yes.
Okay, so next.
Please tell us something. God, Jehovah God me.
Okay, let's
His name.
Hey, Xavier.
We must have did something. We must have did something.
Wow, Jehovah God,
Only Jehovah God can.
Okay.
Now it's chemistry.
Huh?
Now physics.
Physics.
Okay. I'm terrible at physics.
Okay. We just discussed just now, right? We just discussed just now, correct? Just now okay, what's the three physical states? Three yes, correct. Okay, next.
This guy is the resting guard. Very old. Very old. Very old. Until over here.
Okay, there's this substance. It has a melting point of 20 degrees Celsius, boiling point of 50 degrees Celsius. So now it's at room temperature, which is about 28 degrees Celsius. So this substance is what physical state? This substance is in what physical state?
Liquid.
Liquid, yes, correct.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, teacher.
I should have. It should be me that saying to go to toilet. Why is it me telling this?
Okay, just now we talked about the differences between evaporation and boiling, right? Alright? Just tell me one differences.
Okay. Yeah, I don't need to write, right?
Okay, tell me.
Okay.
Oh, so easy.
Okay.
You want to write
The evaporation is slower, and then boiling is faster.
Correct.
That's the easiest one. That's the easiest one.
Okay, Joshua.
You can test me then. I got it.
Oh, very confident, huh? Okay, tell me two differences then between evaporations and boiling.
Evaporation is only at the on top surface.
Very good.
And boiling is the whole.
Liquid, yes. One more difference. He's very confident.
Three super complicated. Three super complicated. Oh, super complicated. The evaporation don't need a lot of heat and boiling need more heat.
Okay, not so accurate. Do you have any other differences? Actually, because boiling need heating source, and then it doesn't require heating source. Yeah. Another difference?
Easy.
Because about evaporation, if you count the total heat needed and the boiling total heat needed, it's actually the same. It's just that for evaporation, it's very slow, so it takes a long time.
I think evaporation is like it first goes to water, and ice goes to water, then water goes to steam.
No, that's not the differences. Yeah, okay, Science Master, do you know what's the difference?
One difference.
Huh?
One more difference.
Yeah, one more difference.
Evaporation can take place at any temperature.
Correct. Then boiling?
Only in boiling.
Yes, correct. Yeah, take a seat.
Oh,
Right, good try, good try. Okay, Zachary.
this is physics, no? I answered 2 and he answered 1, but minus 1. That's so funny.
Okay. Can you draw particles in solid form that is about to melt? Remember just now I draw, right? Solid, liquid, yes. So now we're talking about solid about to melt. Okay, I can accept this drawing. Basically, when they say solid about to melt, okay, we have to show still some regular, but you'll be much appreciated. No? We draw one layer that is close, and then the other one start to move. So we can actually see that there is a changes. All right. Okay, next.
Save our lives.
Okay. Same question. Liquid that is boiling. Yeah, correct. Draw a box.
That's a rectangle.
Liquid that is boiling. Oh, very huge.
It looks like wheels.
I can't watch. I can't watch. Liquid.
Okay, I accept it. Okay, as long as you did draw, there are some particles already separated. So there is a gap here, there's a gap here. But in actual drawings, alright, we will draw something like this. While the inner lower layers, they were still connected, alright, by irregular shapes. Then there will be 1 or 2 or 3 that's already separated. So that's how we show liquid is boiling.
Can we have one more round but mix of everything?
Mix of what?
All the topics that we learned.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jumpable. Yeah, mix everything.
Okay, can later.
Very
good.
But this time we die.
Okay, so how much is this?
Die now.
What do you want?
It's called
Okay, you said there's a lot of presents, right? If we finish this round, then you actually play.
This is the last round, right?
Yeah, this last round we finish, and then the person that gets right will also get the present. But the thing is, the one that makes bag, and then we'll get another one. The person that
Okay, I will consider your offer. I will think about this seriously. Okay, so this is the last round for chemistry now. This comes Xavier.
Wow. Periodic.
Okay, you need your periodic table.
I don't know.
Okay, so there are two types of bonding that we learn. Alright? There are two types of bonding that we learn. What are they?
Covalent bonding ion.
That's correct.
I don't know.
Okay, next. Who? Yeah, Joshua? Okay, so just now he mentioned about covalent and ionic, correct? So can you explain what is ionic bonding? Okay, wow. Okay.
I don't know how to explain.
Okay, you draw for me.
That's nice, that's nice.
Carbon.
I can't see. I can't see. I can see. I see. I do that. See. Now the other hydrogen is too small. And then the other hydrogen.
Oh, watermarks, huh?
No.
Last one.
Hey.
This should be
Okay. 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 So what was I asking just now? Ionic bonding. So unfortunately this is not correct.
Yes.
Zisha! Okay, thank you. Good effort. Good
I didn't
effort.
say anything.
Okay.
That's what I was saying, like,
What is ionic bond?
I was like, reading.
Actually, not supposed to read, huh?
Minus 3. Minus 1.
no. Minus 1.
Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10.
No, that means the
That's too long. It's not.
watching normal gas configuration.
Okay, so what is ionic bond? I want to hear from you.
I don't know after that.
Proton.
It's a transfer of electron from one center to
correct. So it's a transfer of electrons from metals
To no metal.
to non-metals. So, Joshua, let me explain to you why just now what you drew was not correct. What you draw just now, that you just drew just now, it was actually a covalent bonding. It was a sharing. So ionic bonding is like that. The drawing in general is there is a plus and there is a minus.
The boxes.
Yeah, there's a boxes here. Was it okay? Yeah. So okay. So teacher. Okay. So there's a building, no? There's a building.
G. Did I put it back again? I'm a stupid. No, you're not stupid. I'm stupid. You're not stupid.
How you draw this one? Lithium fluoride into here. Can you feed it into that box? Fluoride.
Fluoride what? Like that. Here the numbers.
This already is correct already.
Okay. Confirm. So this is ionic bonding, right? Okay.
Yeah, lithium and fluoride.
Okay. So this is the plus, this is the minus.
Yeah. So which one is the plus? Which one is the minus?
Lithium is
Okay.
yeah. Let me think a while.
Just thinking.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, not the draw is beginning.
It's okay. Okay, and
Then here. Wait. This is like camera. Please get it right. Please get it right. Sorry. This area, this surveillance has a CCTV. Has a surveillance on CCTV. We can capture you are now in prison. Wait, sorry. Color me.
it's correct.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Nathan.
Come on, Nathan.
Okay, draw.
Ionic or covalent?
I don't know.
Full drawing or?
Just outer. Okay, outer will do. Correct. Very good. Okay.
Oh yeah, can I have a question? What if we have same as what we have?
I have everything.
Bonus question. No, bonus question.
It takes a lot of effort to maintain my size. Okay,
Makes no sense. And bonus question. Bonus question.
you're also teen, so you don't need a lot to maintain your size. Okay. So there is a covalent compound, there is an ionic compound. You just need to pick one, then tell me one properties, one physical properties.
No, you don't need a it's sharing the.
Yeah, but what is the physical properties? You know what is physical properties? Physical properties such as like melting point, boiling point, you know? Yeah. So just like you talk about ionic. So ionic has what melting boiling point?
You are making him nervous.
It has both have covalent compound also have melting point, boiling point. So ionic compound does it have high or low melting or boiling point? Covalent, I say ionic.
Ionic has.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Okay, the reason ionic compound has high, like here, has high melting boiling point is because he has this word. We are supposed to mention this word: strong, electrostatic forces of attraction. So for ionic, they have this. That's why they have high melting boiling point. All right. I thought it's your turn.
He's too shy.
Okay. No need, no need.
I'll just get.
Okay. So how about covalent compound? Does it have high melting boiling point? Just now he mentioned ionic compound has high melting boiling point, right? Then how about the covalent? Does it have high or low melting boiling point? Is this your final answer? You know what is covalent compound? Like water, like air.
Covalent is low.
Low, right? Correct.
It's time. That doesn't mean you can take us. It's time. Then we need.
So it has what? Why it has low? Because of this
Water.
weak. This is the word. This is the weak intermolecular forces of attraction. You need this to your for your explanation type of questions.
Oh, so it's a tie.
Yeah. So it's a tie.
No, we get the goodie, they get the bag. Because we are the chemical masters. We are the chemical masters. Okay, then we get the goodies, they get the wrapping. They get the wrapping principle. I go with oh yeah, we follow Bible principles. They get one thing, they get the wrap. We have to cut the tree. They get 100%. Okay, now.
Okay.
All your goodies, you divide into half, and then one of the half, divide it into two, and then one give you us. And then we will make sure that 4 of us will actually get at least one each. Like this, if one gets 2, like they get 2, we all get 2.
They can see the goodies from
If not enough, we get from there.
They can smell the goodies. They can smell the candy wrapper.
Okay.
When you're too hungry, you eat the candy.
So for a coincidence, all get full marks. For a 50-50, like 100 marks. You all can share later.
We get more.
Okay. Plus don't eat here. You want, you can eat outside.
Can we have one more round? No.
Wow. Okay, serious?
I have one suggestion. This time, because the masters, they are very tired today. So this time the masters, they will also need to go out.
Okay, can.
But the thing is, also 3 points.
Okay.
Masters also need 3 points. Masters also need 3 points. What? You are like parents.
Okay. We will ask one science, one chemistry questions, one physics questions, and one bio question.
Oh no, I want to buy.
Yeah, only science masters.
Nicholas chemistry.
Come on, Nicholas. Nicholas,
Two chemistry, two physics, and two.
Okay, come. I need. So whoever completed the question and passed, or you all want to share, right? Wow, no spirit of sharing, huh? Okay.
Can I ask a question? If they win, and then what will happen to us? All the goodie will be them.
They will let you smell.
So,
if he don't know somebody,
No,
give him a ride.
cannot.
Okay. Now you have to divide all the goodies into half, and then the one half you have to divide into two, and then they get half, we get half, and then the last one, if they win, we give them.
Okay.
And then if we win, you give us.
Okay, draw.
That's the deal.
Okay, bio first. Alright. The teammates can give hints but don't talk. You all can use some sign language but don't talk. Okay. Draw a plasmolized cell.
What? We never learned that before. What's plasmolized?
You all are science masters, so that's why your question will be harder. Bio.
This guy don't.
They know. You see, they learn already.
Can you please?
Cannot. Sign language.
Can the science masters ask questions?
Yeah, he can ask questions, but you can only sign language. You all have learned this word, plasmolized.
But last one is on my hands.
Okay, time's up. Okay, what's plasmolized, Nathan?
I have a lower. That means it becomes flaccid.
Yes, correct. Basically, because you don't learn, do you all learn? Like for example, if this is okay.
You plus symbolize.
Let's say this is the cell. Alright? Let's say that the water keep on leaving. Then what happened? Then what happened? Yeah. So then this one is like that, right?
Oh!
The cell
I think in our worksheet there.
yeah, I have leh. No, I don't have leh. Okay, next question.
Physics, right?
Yeah, physics. Okay, one of the greatest inventions that to prevent heat loss, alright, is the design of the creation of the thermal flask. Alright, can you draw the thermal flask and tell me what are the ways they help to stop or minimize the heat loss? Thermal flask.
Sorry, my drawing not really good.
In O-level, this is a very popular question, but they will not require you to draw, but they will ask you to label. Later you do that, he cannot see, he has no eyes at the back.
You should have stopped it.
Stopper helps you.
Is it that's all? You give me three ways. Yeah. Cannot copy.
You got me.
Oh, Nicholas very style.
Wonder leh.
I should change the name. The only one becomes the bad one.
Wow. You're still writing.
Okay, I think Ethan's done, is it? No, not yet. Come on, wait. There's a question on that.
Okay, time's up. Okay, can you all stand to their side? To the two sides faster, go to the side, so that people can see. Yes, there is a stopper. That's correct. And then there is a vacuum. That means there is one container, and then there's an outer container. There's a vacuum, and then inside and the outer here, there is a silver surface. Correct. So for this case, here's silver surface. That's correct. Yes. Here, you're not supposed to fill up the water to the brim because air is actually a poor conductor of heat, which is very good. But unfortunately, you only have 2. So this is 3 points. This is 2 points. Okay.
Can we at least
Okay. No more already. Now it's chemistry now.
Oh no! Take the
Okay,
I can read chemistry.
Okay, so draw this structure for me.
Wow!
Okay, whoever.
Showing the electrons?
Yeah, the only outer layer.
Okay.
Oh, this is 2 different.
Yeah, 2 difference.
I'm let's go for the first one. It's good eh?
30 seconds. Starts now.
Come on, Nick. Can we at least say quick? Can we say quick? Quick! Quick, stop it! It's only 1 syllabus. There is 2 syllabus. Don't worry. No, just don't rush. I said don't worry. That's not rushing it. Relax.
Relax and sleep.
Great. Put the. Hey, Nicholas, stop being copy. Hey. Another one.
So
You want to look at your teammates?
So for the aluminium oxide also.
Where got?
Yeah, look at your teammates. That means the answer like
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
Continue.
Okay.
One is faster, one is.
I can see through your specs.
See-through specs. See-through specs. Oh, sorry.
Okay. We done with just. We done is real.
Okay. Okay, take a seat. Okay, so the clear winner for this round is this group. So the previous round was this group. So it's a tie again. They say Jehovah God is really kind. There's no winner again.
Only 1 point. Only 1 point.
Okay. So I count round by round.
This is a.
Okay, first and foremost, what is this? Metal or non-metal? This one?
Transition metal.
Non-metal. So metal and non-metal, they will form
Ion.
ionic compound. So this is the correct ionic compound. Correct? So carbon is non-metal, chlorine is non-metal. So non-metal with non-metal is covalent. So is this the one?
So still no winner. No, that one was it's not.
Okay.
One more question, physics.
Ah, again.
Yes.
This is the.
Physics.
Oh, the last one.
Go and draw, man.
Okay. I'll take opportunity to discuss again
Do
next week.
physics. Do physics.
Okay. Next week. Okay, next week is your test. Alright. While you're having tests, like I mentioned, if whoever parents are available, they will be outside. I'll talk to them for a while. 5 minutes for break. So we will start. We start with bio first, followed by chemistry, then followed by physics.
Oh, that's very good.
Can chemistry be last?
Okay. So for bio papers, Nicholas, when you come, I'll give you some other things to do first. Okay? Yeah. Then for chemistry, after that there will be physics. Alright. So then the remaining time, is to discuss your homework.
Which is? Do we
Bonding.
start discussing the homework first?
We will discuss the homework last. Whatever time remaining, then we will discuss. Okay. So one thing, reminders. Basically, this is an actual test. In actual test, you are not supposed to bring in no handphone.
No calculator.
Okay.
Calculator.
So this type of pencil case is not allowed. You must think either a plastic, transparent plastic bag. It's not allowed. In O levels, all these are not allowed.
Is that okay?
No, it's not allowed.
Is that okay?
It's not allowed.
How do you put that?
Not allowed. Basically, is the examiner has to see through what is inside. Like for example, you could actually put a notes inside, right?
No.
But this is what they say.
Oh, but I
So think of a way. Okay, you can think of a way of how you're going to bring in your writing materials.
I know. Just take out everything and then put it on your hand.
Also can.
Then
For your bags, you have to put it
at the side.
outside of this room. You can, but the thing is there are much better ways. Basically, there is a transparent bags that you can get. Then you put in all your stuff inside. Remember the Ziploc bag, the very simple Ziploc bag. Then you can just put your pencils and all those things. Basically, this is the actual O levels simulation. Okay, so no handphone, no bags.
Cell phone. You can think about cell phones.
Okay? Do you understand? So if you are caught talking during the test, for example, hey Nick, do you have pencil? Example, if I caught you speaking, I don't really care what you are talking about. If it's just purely borrowing a pencil, I will let you finish your paper, but I'll put a 0 there.
Wait, what if we forgot to bring pencil?
You can raise hand and then you ask me.
Okay, what I need to.
Whatever that you need, whatever that you do not know, whatever you don't understand, raise hand. You only speak when the examiner is beside you. This is actual O levels. Alright, this is actual levels. We try to simulate as closely as we can to the actual O levels examinations. Was it okay? So if I see this, I'll confiscate. So that means you have nothing. Alright, that means on the tables, all I want to see is if there is a pencil case, something that I can see through.
Okay.
Or it's just pencil.
No, I have mommy buy for me a kind of transparent pencil case that see everything inside.
Can. So that I can see what's inside.
Oh no, handphone, but free iPad.
No, no electronics.
No, it's watches.
I decided that I will give you all the new periodic tables. So don't bring in your current periodic tables.
Can I use the?
I'll print out for you.
No need print
I'll photocopy for you.
Today.
Okay?
Today.
Can Okay. Where's Nicholas and Ethan? Can you come up?
It's so good they can take everything.
Together, so it's saying sharing. You see, the homework meant for you all to share. No matter what how many rounds, it's still the same.
Okay, who can
Okay, come in.
Who
Okay,
can answer this
Okay, you're very off.
I
Hold back together. Then you're used to it.
want to
Okay.
see. You're talking about
So,
man.
yeah.
I cannot take chocolate.
So you all can share. I will talk to Nathan. Okay, I'll see you all next week.